this is Michael from 256 Mike. Okay, I'm going to show you how to replace the pulley. Okay, because it broke off. So you see, on the Craftsman lawnmower, you have to pull this whole piece off. Don't take those, you see that right there? Don't cut this off. I don't want you to grind those out or nothing. Just take the whole piece off. It's very simple. Now you're saying, well, what's the next step? What do I do? Okay, you're going to put the rope. Let me see. String is going to go right through there, right? But before you do that, so let's say I got the machine like this. You turn it like this. You have to take this and turn it and turn it and turn it until it's hard. And then you take a screwdriver and you stick it in there like that. So it doesn't, you know, take off and cut your finger off or nothing. And then the next step, then after you got the screwdriver in there, you're going to take the string and you're going to stick it through the hole. Right there. So let's say you have it through the hole now. God, I hate doing this one hand. This is the part. So let's say if you have to let it loose just a little bit, remember it's real tight. Put the screwdriver back in there. You holding it. Remember, you don't want this thing to go and take off. Then you see the string right through there. I'm putting it through the hole. You see it? It will come right out through this hole. Then you take it, pull it, and just make a knot. You can make a knot to around here. Just make a nice knot, just one knot, real hard, and that's it. And then after that, hold the string, pull out the screwdriver, and little by little just let it go so she can wind and all the way. Boom. Now you're perfect. Then you take the other end and you put the new piece on, the little plastic pulley thing. And then you just put it all together. And you know the rest of the steps. Goes through here. This is what the plastic handle goes, the one that you pull. So the rope goes all the way to there. And that's it. That's how you do it. It's that simple. Any questions, just leave a comment. This is Michael. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up.